Here's how you can make an ooey gooey lasagna. Now the only reason I made this was because I made that Garfield lasagna recipe video and I haven't made lasagna in years and this came out pretty well. To get started with some prep, let's shred mozzarella cheese, a carrot, and let's dice up an onion. Now let's grab a pan on medium-high heat and make sure you get a large enough pan. Don't do what I did because you don't want to boil or crowd your ground beef. You want to get some good color. Season it with salt and chili flakes. In a separate pan, let's get some color on our onions and carrots, add tomato paste and garlic. Then I'm going to move this to another pan because I really do need some color on this. And then let's add our carrots and onions to the beef along with some beef stock. Let this simmer on medium heat, add some black pepper and whole milk. And in a separate pan again, let's add some San Marzano tomatoes, cook this out and add this to the beef as well. Give everything a good mix. And now let's move on to our cheese sauce, add some butter, cream, and our cheese. Whisk this on medium heat until it's thick. Coming back to the beef, add 3 egg yolks and stir this in. And I accidentally reduced this a bit too much. This shot right here is from the next day. I made it again and this is what it should look like. Almost sludgy and it should make a mess. Let's begin layering by adding some beef to the bottom of your pan, followed by your pasta sheets. Cover this with more beef and then your cheese sauce. Make sure it's a bit thicker than the way I had it and just repeat this process until you're at the top. And in the middle you can also add some chopped parsley. On the top, add more ground beef, chopped parsley, your cheese, along with Parmesan cheese, black pepper, and some olive oil. Lastly, cook this in the oven at 350 for about a half an hour and broil it for some color. Enjoy.